Hello everyone, I am Priya Costa from Bangladesh. It was a great experience of the workshop that I had participated last month. Last month we had a workshop about gender mainstreaming from IMCS Asia Pacific. From that workshop, I learned that a human should never judge or criticize by their gender. Since in our countries and also the whole world, the many peoples have different genders and they are facing so many problems in different ways in different places, especially the girls who are being treated with disrespectful and inequality in many cases. But we know that people have the right to live liberty and security of person. So I have received and learned a lot of more from this workshop, and I will use it in my real life and spread it among other people. And at the end of the session, we give them three statements that we will use in our real life and avoid the things that will harmful for people, and we will practice the things that will make our life safe and beautiful. Thank you.